Hey guys, I just noticed a feature on both these scan tools that I haven't actually seen on any of the other scan tools that I have. And I just want to show that to you because I think it could be a very useful feature if you end up having a problem with either one of these scanners. So what it is, let's go over here to, actually it's upgrade. I'm going to go to upgrade. I'm going to hit enter. Now these scanners are fully updated. I just finished updating them just a few minutes ago. That's when I actually noticed this, and I wanted to make a video just to show you. And you can see all the, all the cars here that these scanners will work on. But the one thing that I want to show you is, so let's say, now I have not had this problem with either one of these scanners. These scanners have been rock solid on everything I've used them on. But I have had people comment that they've got certain brand scanners. They, was working fine. They used them on their cars, doing particular functions or using particular features. Everything was great. They did the update that came out for them. They updated them. Next thing that they know, there was a feature that either didn't work or was missing from the menu or whatever the case may have been. Well, you'll see on these scanners that you've got, whatever. Let's find one of these. We'll take a look at the Chrysler. Where'd it go? So you can see right here, you've got Chrysler Dodge Jeep 1106, version 1106. That's the latest version for both these scan tools. Let's say that I just updated these scanners and I'm going out to my Jeep and now there's something that's not working. And I know that it worked 3 or 4 months earlier when I was doing the same thing. Well, you can click this little down arrow on both these and it shows you prior versions. Now, I've got other scanners that will show you prior versions, but what it doesn't let you do is pick and re-download the older version. So we're downloading an older version. And let's see, where'd the Chrysler go? So now on the Thinkcar, my Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep is 11.0, and on the Mucar, it's 10.94. So you can go back, see if that feature or function now works, and finish working on your vehicle. And then wait for the next update. Usually when an update comes out on a scan tool and now there's something that's not working, the very next update after that, they've got it fixed. They've gotten enough feedback from people to where they end up getting it fixed. Like I said, I've not had problems on either one of these scanners thus far, but you never know. You never know when they come out with an update, if they end up missing something, because it can happen. So now, to go back to the latest version, just click the down arrow, click the 11.06, hit download. And we're back to 1106. So, just wanted to point that out, that it's nice that they have kept the older versions of the software on the server so that you have a choice to go back to prior versions, just in case something does quit working or starts having an issue. Anyway, just wanted to show that on both these scanners. First time I've seen it on any scanner I've got. I've got X-Tools, Launches, Autels. So just keep that in mind in case you run across something that quit working. Just go and download the older version. You guys take care. We'll see you.